Welcome everyone, I'm Zilla. I'm back with another video. Now today I'm going to be talking about the design of the new iPhones. These are just dummies obviously. iPhone 11 Max, iPhone 11, iPhone 11R, if that's what they're going to be calling them. I've got some other devices here to compare to the cameras on these ugly looking things. Now I am recording this on the Xperia 1 in 4K. I know a lot of people out there, YouTubers, etc., have been having issues with the camera, with it overheating, lasting only a few minutes. I'm going to try and push this to as far as I can get it to go. At least let's try 10 minutes. If it suddenly ends abruptly, you know the Xperia 1 failed. But it's a good test, so stick with me right to the end. I'm going to try and push up, as I said, to 10 minutes or over. So, I got sent these out by a case manufacturer. As I said, let's take a look at this one. Lightning port. Very similar to the iPhone 10 in design. All the way around. Not much difference. It's probably going to have the same notch, I think. But it's this. This thing is ugly. What the hell is that? It's almost like Johnny Ives knew he was leaving Apple. He must have known months ago, at least I reckon 11 months ago. And he thought, I'm going to do a little joke on them. I'm going to design this. What happened? What is this? Seriously, I haven't met a single person who said that's beautiful. It might be functional, but that is... I don't understand. This looks pointless. Why would you do that? It's just, maybe it's because my OCD, but look at here. The cameras are not even lined up properly. Look at the flash. Where's the flash going on there? That's a bit I don't understand. Everything else is virtually the same. A lot of people have already told me they're not going to be upgrading to this thing. They're going to wait till 2012, and I don't blame them. If all you're getting is an ultra wide camera, what the? Seriously, if you disagree with me, let me know in the comments below. Don't go all troll on me, go, ooh, you're an Apple hater. I'm not an Apple hater. I've told people this before. I've got a HomePod, I've got an iMac Pro, I've got a MacBook Pro, Apple Watch, iPhones, the works. I've got plenty of Apple stuff, so don't even go there. Now, if you had to go with the square, okay, why not go with this style where it's in the middle from the Huawei Mate 20 Pro? This looks a lot more classy. And look at that. Look at this. Ugly as sin. The iPhone. Why didn't they centerize it, or at least put the cameras and the flash in a nice equal position? God knows, it's very, very weird. Now, if you didn't want to go with the square, why not go with this? This has got 4 cameras in the back. The S10 5G. Look at the design of that. It looks so much cleaner, so much nicer. Compared to that, look at that. Or what OnePlus has done, triple camera, flash. Looks so much better. And if you have to keep it on the side, you don't want to centralize it, well then, why not go with what the P30 Pro has got going on in that sort of fashion? Look at the design difference. And what gets me on top of all that is the Pixel line of phones is going with this ugly ass nastiness. Now, what I don't get here is this is the iPhone 11R, if that's what it's going to be called. 2 cameras and a flash. Yet, they still got a big ugly square. Why do you need a big ugly square for only 2 cameras? I don't get it. The current line of iPhones have got 2 cameras and a flash, and they don't have this ugly ass square. They've done it probably for just sort of similarity across the board, but hey, it's still, I mean, spec wise, everyone pretty much knows what you're going to get in here, so there's no point going over that. Buttons, everything, same notch, I think, probably same power button, same volume rockers. I mean, at least if this was colored the same color as the phone, you know, maybe I could accept it, but no way can I accept this. This is just beastly looking, horrible looking thing. I mean, some people won't care. I get that. I respect that. If you don't care, it's your opinion. Everyone is entitled to an opinion. I mean, I would like to see what... Is there a reason why Apple's done it like this? Are the sensors so big they had to do it like this? Yeah, it's an interesting concept. This is not Apple. To me, this is not Apple. They're known for the design. You know, beauty over function. That's what Apple's known for. Although, to be honest, I have to disagree with that statement myself, because functionally, I have no issues with any of their products, really. I mean, their MacBook Pro, iPads, iMac Pro, Apple Watch, haven't had any issues with it. Don't really have any issues with the phones nowadays, but... So maybe there's a reason, I don't know. Are they putting an optical zoom in of some kind or something? I mean, I still think they could have gone this route. Just imagine that, right, on the back of this. That down here, with the Apple logo directly under it. That would look boss. You know that would look boss. Because you know the real one's going to have the Apple logo right here, and you're going to have iPhone here. I mean, maybe they should put the Apple logo here, and the word iPhone written vertically, like the Huawei's got here. Maybe that would be a better look with this cube thing. I mean, what? Seriously though, this to me does not say Apple. It really doesn't say Apple. I mean, up to 7 minutes 30 seconds now of this video using the Xperia 1. So it's interesting. I have had the heat warning pop-up come up. So hopefully this video is actually working. It's showing it's recording, but who knows? Who knows? What do you guys think? Is this a deal breaker for you, this look? I know when you slap a case on it, I've got some cases actually for all these iPhones already. Clear cases. I'll be doing a video about those. Probably tomorrow, maybe some point this week. I'm not sure exactly when. But what do you guys think? I mean, tell me in the comments. Do you like the look of this? Are you not bothered by it? Do you think it's some function to it looking like this? Because genuinely, this is not... Apple tends to make very aesthetically pleasing products. They have done for a number of years. That's one of the reasons people buy Apple products. It's not the reason I buy Apple products. The reason I buy them is because of the functionality of them. No, I'm not an Apple sheep. Right, interesting. The Xperia 1 went off. It overheated at 8 minutes 30 seconds. I've waited 30 seconds for it to cool down enough to quickly come back on. So I'm going to end the video here. If you like the video, thumbs up, share it on all your social media. Let me find out what you think of this design. Are you going to get one of the new iPhones? Are you not bothered? What do you think about the Xperia 1 visual quality, sound quality? Because I'm not going to edit the quality of the video or the sound. So this is pure raw from the camera. I've got no mics connected to the camera, to the phone, the Xperia 1. How's the exposure, the color reproduction? I had to increase the brightness a bit on the actual app itself whilst recording this, because otherwise it picks up the flickers from my studio lighting. So I had to increase that. So it's a little bit overexposed, but that's something I can't help. We're now up to another minute, gone over another minute. So I have used the Xperia 1. I have filmed in 4K up to 14 minutes and then switched the phone off out of boredom to test it. But it is a baking hot day today. I've got my baking studio lights right over the phone, beating heat into it, and it's like about 35 degrees Celsius. I've got no AC on, I've got the windows closed, doors closed, fans off, and I'm sweating like a pig on a honeymoon, quite literally. It's that hot in here, so it can't be helped. I think he did pretty well, reaching 8.5 minutes. Not too bad. I don't get that consistently. What do you guys think? As I said, let me know what you think about the quality, the new iPhone range. Do you think Apple should have gone with one of the other designs for the cameras? Interesting to know your feedback. Anyway, subscribe, thumbs up, share, and like. Take care. Stay Zilla.